land, the sea, the beach. Do you still feel like something is missing? Certainly, funny pranks are. Prank your friends on the beach. Enjoy your vacation and good mood with our new video. Daisy emerges from water like a mermaid, holding a very special thing in her hands. It's coral. How did this stranger happen to be here? It's so big, but what is it? All of a sudden, Daisy bites it off. Cut the ends off puffcorn. Make even cuts on some pieces. Cut off others at an angle. Melt white chocolate in a double boiler. Attach pieces of the puffcorn using the melted chocolate. Make sure to shape coral. Coat the entire coral with a layer of the white chocolate. Use a silicone brush to imitate the appropriate coral texture. Have you got sunstroke or what? Corals are not edible, but she seems to enjoy crunching it. Well, I think I shall taste it too. It's actually delicious. The chocolate-coated puffcorn coral is the most unusual sea dweller I have ever met. The girls are sunbathing on the beach. The blue-eyed girl seems to have dozed off. It's a perfect chance to introduce my new little friend to her. It's a baby crab. Cut 2 identical circles off a foam plastic ball. Join them together to get a disc. Take 6 wooden skewers. Mark 4 identical sections on them using a marker. Break a skewer partly at 3 marked places. Break off the excess at the 4th mark. Hot glue the broken parts. Make 6 legs. Attach them to the belly of the disc-shaped body. Make 2 claws out of thin foam plastic. Attach them in front of the legs. Apply drops of hot glue to the sharp ends of the broken wooden skewer pieces and stick the eyes into the body. Coat the crab with an acrylic base paint. Paint it red. Make the eyelids black. Daisy ties up the crab to her friend's leg with a fishing line. The blue-eyed girl goes for a walk and doesn't even suspect anything is wrong. Oh, darling! What kind of monster is that? Help! SOS! Meanwhile, Daisy enjoys watching her friend run away from a toy crab. Everyone loves picking up seashells. They are so beautiful and different. The friends are wandering along the beach looking for the most unusual seashells. All of a sudden, Daisy finds a huge seashell right under her feet. But there's a notebook inside of it instead of a pearl. Trace a big seashell on a notebook. Mark a similar shape inside the outline. Tape the pages to make the job easier. Cut the notebook along the marked shape. Hot glue each side of the cover to a separate seashell. Trace the shells on felt. Hot glue it to the inside of the cover. A seashell notebook? I haven't seen anything like this before. And the blue-eyed girl picks up an unusual spiny seashell from the sand. We will need an appropriate seashell with a long spine-like part. Take a ballpoint pen refill. Use pliers to press the refill if it doesn't fit into the spine. Hot glue it into the shell. This seashell turns out to be a unique combination of a sea dweller and a ballpoint pen. Now we have a marine school supply set. The double prank succeeded. It's a tie. We will write it down. Daisy takes a selfie. The blue-eyed girl steps out of the sea foam like a goddess, or like a mystical underwater creature to be more precise. She is covered with seaweed. That would be okay if she didn't start eating it